Welcome back to Fuzzy App, your ultimate guide to mastering the digital world. Today, I'll show you how to find and use trending voices on Instagram using a professional account. Let's get started. First, log into your Instagram account and make sure it's set to professional. Once you're in, tap on the Professional Dashboard button. This is your hub for all the tools and insights available to professional accounts. Next, scroll down through the menu and look for the option labeled Trending Audio. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a dedicated section featuring the latest trending voices. Instagram curates these based on what's currently popular, making it easier for you to stay ahead of the curve. Here, you can explore a variety of trending audio tracks. Take a moment to listen and see what resonates with your style or brand. As you scroll through Reels, keep an eye out for the audio title displayed at the bottom of each video. If you see an arrow pointing upwards beside the audio name, bingo. That's a trending voice. When you find a trending voice you like, tap the Save Audio button. This adds it to your saved library so you can easily access it later. Now that you've saved your favorite audio, it's time to use it. To access them, tap the three lines at the top right corner of the main page. In the menu, select the Saved button. Here you'll find all your saved items, including the audios you've added. Open the audio by clicking on it and click on Use Audio if you want to use the audio. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can access trending or saved audios while creating a reel. In this case, click the plus sign at the bottom of the main page, select Reel, and choose a trending or saved audio directly from there. Pairing trending voices with your content is a powerful way to increase engagement and reach a wider audience. So don't be afraid to experiment with creative visuals, text, and effects to make your reels stand out. That's it for today's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Fuzzy App, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.